Good morning. It's probably a little dark. Hopefully you can see my face, but we are on a mission today. We got 5 guys. I don't know, 3 shacks. We'll probably have 10, 12 holes. If you do the math, it works out. Team OGTH, 1 guy, 2 holes. So do the math, figure it out, let me know. We're up here, Clear Lake. Hopefully find some schools of white bass, yellow bass. Let's see. And hopefully a bonus walleye or crappie in there. Only half day. It's going to be a short day. All of us got to get back. It's getting to be that time. We got Christmases and stuff later this afternoon, and so stay tuned. Hopefully get some fish action. We got Ryan, Gavin, Hudson, and Mike. It's all part of the Brew clan over there setting up. Mike's got a Milwaukee on his new K drill. I got a Milwaukee on my new pistol. Maybe you'll see some competition, hole drilling competition. See which K drill or pistol is better. Stay tuned. Boom. The ice is thick. Ooh, we got the K drill. Hot like butter. And now pistol. Mike's went faster because he weighs more than I do. Just kidding. No, we're both pretty happy with our new drills, so you'll see a lot of that this season. All right, finally, it took us, I don't know, what time is it? Yeah, Gav. It took us about an hour, but we finally found a few fish and drilled probably 30, 40 holes. Found a few, maybe. Now that I turn the camera on, we ain't gonna catch shit. You think every fish you catch is good. No, hopefully it's a walleye. Oh, never mind. Thought the boy needed some help. I was coming to the rescue. I'm not getting the marks I was. Oh, there we go. Nope, I got one. Woo! Oh, tug. Oh, that's a good yellow. I take that. I take that any day. Really, you little son of a gun. There's the yellows I remember. The ones that come screaming up at your jig. Yeah. And now I think he got a snack. Yep. Oh. So what do you got here today? I think it's number 3 tungsten jig. I can't remember what brand. I don't keep track of all that crap. I just know I like this color. Apparently these fish do too. I've caught like 5, dude. Yeah. That's 4. That's just 5. Nice work, buddy. Oh yeah, hooked up. I turned it on right as I was catching this giant. No, these are good little fish. Oh, come on. He's got a little whoop, whoop. See it? Oh yeah. Fish on. Oh, come on. Dad, I gotta pee. Dad. 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 I'm just... There's fish down there, so I can't go pee yet. Be sure to splooge your worm. You splooge your worm, Hud? You splooge him? You play with your worm? Oh, geez. That's going on YouTube there, right there. Sometimes in the shower I play with my worm. Hud's mom's really going to love that one. Oh, Hudson. We could make like an hour-long video of just shit Hudson says all day. Yeah. Ryan's hooked up over there. Finally. Ooh. It's been a while. Oh. 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 Untangle yourself, please. Woo! I think I'm going the wrong way. There we go. It's a tough guy. He can sit out there for a little bit. Mike, dead stick. Yeah, I came by and I'm like, my pole's moving. It's time to check in. I'm gonna take a break. Got me some these Snickers trees. It's Christmas time, you know. Oh man, that's so good. Snickers. Snickers, guys. So, check in with Ryan and Mike. And you can watch me eat my Snickers. You guys marking fish out here?
Yeah.
Are you catching?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Alright. Let's go talk to the main man. The boss. Always working them. He likes to jig. Wiggle his jiggle.
Jiggle my wiggle.
Jiggle your wiggle. Let's check in on the bucket. Using for bait today, we got red spikes. That seems to be the ticket. Got a few in the bucket. Oh, it's time for a break and little Copenhagen. Makes me feel so good. If you don't know that song, look it up. Chris Ledoux, Copenhagen. It's a good tune. It's one of my faves. Well, it's time. So I got me a new drill. It's Milwaukee M18 fuel. I'll show it here to you. Onto my Eskimo pistol. Tell you so far, I'm really happy with the drill purchase. It's been strong. I probably drilled 30 plus holes today, and the battery's just going. It's cold out, so pretty happy with that. But I think I'm gonna keep this. I will have a propane auger for sale, more than likely. I'll let you know by the end of the week. But if I do have one for sale, check out my Facebook page. I'm sure it'll be on there, so stay with us. It's like a damn zoo out here. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. That's 45. I'm done counting, but there's a lot of effing people out here. I can't count. Mike doesn't think I can count past 45. Okay, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What comes after 50?
60.
60? Multiples of 10 now. I was a math major at one point in college. There's no fish on this hole. We're gonna move. Roll out. Oh. See, okay, hold on to that perch over there. See, this is what we are. This is what we were marking. This is what we were catching. There are plenty that size in this lake, but well, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. We saw some yellows caught, a few little perch, some little walleyes. Didn't get those on camera because they were so little we couldn't even see them. But Mike, what do you think about today?
You can definitely hear or feel the pressure on the fish right now. I think they're a little finicky, but for the most part, we found a few and go from there.
You can definitely tell, like Mike said. I'll give you a little pan of the lake. I mean, we just came from that area over there, and you have Hudson. You could make a video of these guys for an hour. It would probably get a couple thousand
Probably more
views.
views than you and I.
Yeah. So, but there's a lot of people here on the main lake. Over on the little lake as well. There's probably, I don't know. There's probably 500 people out here, I suppose.
We're gonna come at you Wednesday though and try to get on some different fish and see what we can get done.
We'll both be fishing a new lake Wednesday. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Team OGTH.
Let's get some.
Oh God, kids. Peace.